Nokia 2.1. This is the cheapest phone from Nokia this year. The price of this phone is around €100 in Europe, but in Ireland I got this for €60 from Vodafone store because they have some special offer. So if you want to buy this phone, you can ask in your local Vodafone store if they have any offer or not, because this is only for Ireland. So yeah, in this video I will do the unboxing of Nokia 2.1. So before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will receive notification from my next video. So today I received a package from the Vodafone store. It just take only 2 days. Again, it's better to get within 2 days. So we just start the unboxing. So the box is inside, you can see it, and the receipt and the SIM card as well. So that's the box. The front, you can see Nokia, sides, back, all the description there, and the side Nokia 2.1 and Android logo. So hopefully I will get a good phone. Like after such a long time, I'm gonna buy a Nokia phone, probably around 8-9 years. The last time I bought Nokia 5230, I think 2010, like for normal uses. So that you can see a nice phone inside. It is 5.5 HD screen display. So that's a nice one. So the earphone, which always cheap from Nokia. So that's the USB and plug, UK plug. You know, in Ireland you can use UK plug. You can't use any European. So that's all of the menu. You describe how to use it, how to put a SIM card, everything. But nowadays, so you can see that's the Android Oreo Go edition, 5.5 HD screen, 4000 milliamp battery, dual speaker, 8 megapixel camera, front 5 megapixel, Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, and the color is blue. So you can remove the back cover, but you can remove the battery because it's built in. You can just use this for SIM and SD card, that's it. So you can remove the battery. And the great thing is, like, battery is for 4000 milliamps. So, and you know that Nokia always has a good battery. So that's a bad thing. And this phone has Android 8.1, the latest one, Oreo. So that you can see it, 8.1, and Antutu. I installed it Antutu for see the result of this phone, but it's stuck there, it's not going anywhere. So that's why, you know, we can see the result, and we don't know like what is the final result of this phone. So that's all the sensor which support or which not. So that's the Android 32-bit. That you can see the battery is 4000 milliamp, and the front camera is 5 megapixel and the back 8 megapixel. But again, like, I can't see the final result. Probably some people may want to buy for PUBG, so I decided to install PUBG, but again, it's not working because it said this device is not I think suitable or something for PUBG, and probably you can see it. So if someone want to buy for PUBG, so that is not working, you should buy some better phone than this. So you can see it take more time. So I think there's some problems though. And yeah, for me, because I use this phone for a week, and normally I follow Premier League, so I use Facebook, YouTube, you can see AliExpress or everything, but this phone is not that good, it's not that fast the way it should be, but it's not that fast. So if someone want to buy this for regular use or heavy user, so I'm not recommend to buy this one because it's not good for you. Or if you want to use for like a Facebook or YouTube, yeah, it's still better, but if you make videos or something else, no, it's not good. So we will see the camera. So I think the camera quality is better on this phone. 8 megapixel is very good camera, so you can use, if some people they want to buy for a camera, so for good camera, so if they want to buy, so yeah, that's good for them. So I think that's it for today. Probably I'll see you in next video.